Hi and welcome back. So now we go to our example 4. Solve the inequality of x squared plus x greater than or equals to 12. Okay, so here I already write out these steps. So step 1 is collect the terms. Okay, so first collect the terms means we need to put all the numbers on the left and 0 on the right. So we will come as square plus x minus 12 greater than 0. Do we have any equal sign? No. So just greater than. Okay. So and then step 2, positive as square. It's already positive. So just copy back your equation in your inequality. Okay, then we need to factorize. So put the bracket first, greater than 0. Write the template first, and then you substitute this equation into the calculator, and that you will get the factor will be x minus 3, x minus 4. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, yes, I do make some mistakes. So x minus 3, x plus 4. Okay, so now we already factorize it, and then we need to write the ZOF. So as I said before, ZOF is zeros of factors. So our ZOF will be 3, 4. Just write 3, 4. You doesn't need to equal it to 0 anything. Okay, so just write ZOF 3, 4. That is more than enough. And then step 5, solve. As usual, we have two ways. We have two methods, graph and SignTable. Okay, so I will just show you both solution, and it depends on you which one you want to use. Okay, so we go to graphing method. Same thing as before. So if you want to draw a quadratic, you need to know the sign of x squared. So here we already take it positive. So positive means smile shape. So smile shape, then we need to know our ZOF. Our ZOF is 3 and negative 4. Sorry, I need to correct this. Our ZOF is not 4 but negative 4, because this is x minus 3. So x equals to 3, x plus 4, so x equals to negative 4. Okay, I'm sorry. And then so now you need to label our ZOF on the x-axis. So this is 3, this is negative 4, for example. Okay, this is negative 4. Oh, I've deleted all of it. Never mind, we can just draw it back. Okay, so now I labeled this is negative 4, this is 3. Okay, now we draw. So a smiley means 4 connected to 3 and then go upwards. This is upwards, sorry, a bit shaky, but you get what I'm trying to draw is a quadratic function. Okay, so now next, after we sketch done, now we need to shade the region. Okay, as I mentioned before, we need to look whether y is greater than 0 or y less than 0. So what is our sign here? Our sign here, look at step number 2, is greater than. So greater than means shade above x-axis. Okay, shade above. If y less than, below x-axis. Okay, so now we are going to shade this one above, because y greater than 0. Okay, so if above, take orange color. If above, that's mean our shaded region will be to the left. To the left. Okay. Okay, so y greater than 0, so you will shade y greater than 0 above, means above x-axis R. Okay, now after shaded region, then we can write the solution. So the solution is, read it from left to the right. So left, this is negative infinity, this is infinity. So from negative infinity until negative 4. So careful here. Look, here this is greater than, not greater than equal. Means our interval here will be open bracket, then union with open bracket 3 infinity. Okay, so be careful. So our solution set will be x less than negative 4 or x greater than 3. You should not put an equal sign here. Okay, berdosa awak buat ni. Okay, jangan letak. Sebab apa? Dekat soalan tak ada. Saya terpadam sekali. So please follow the inequality sign on step number 2. Okay, if it's greater than, if the question only greater than doesn't have equal, means you cannot use greater than equal. Just follow what the question has given you. Okay, so that means x less than negative 4. Okay, clear? Now we go to SignTable. SignTable, as usual, our Z or F is 3. Is it 3? Our SignTable is 3. Yes, 3 and negative 4. So I already sketched out a table, but it doesn't complete yet. So here I label 2, means we need to put our Z or F. 3, no, we put a smaller number, negative 4, 3, draw a straight line to the bottom of the box, and then let me finish up the lines for the box first. Okay, now we can proceed. Okay, now as usual, so this would be our factor, this would be our interval. Okay, so here our interval, as I mentioned before, imagine this is a number line. So this is negative 4, this is 3, this is negative infinity, infinity. Okay, so our interval will be from negative infinity to negative 4. Open bracket. All of these are open bracket. Okay, remember, we need to use open bracket. So this is just fill in for 3. This is 3 infinity. And our factor, just take our factor x minus 3, x plus 4. The result will be x minus 3 times x plus 4. Okay, now we need to find the sign for and then we need to label first. Okay, don't forget to draw a circle on our factor. So x minus 3, our factor is 3, so this is negative 4, no, so this is our 3. So draw a dance. Okay, here is where I make a mistake. Okay, just deleted all the line, never mind. Okay, so draw the line back, sorry. Okay, use a black pen, bear with me. Okay, now choose the red pen first. Okay, now here is the important thing. As I mentioned earlier, look at the original question. So it gives us a greater than, there is no equal sign. Okay, so what do we do with our circle here? So if, for example, here x minus 3, our factor is 3, so you just draw empty circle, just what you learned in number line before. So empty circle means 3 doesn't include. So for x plus 4 means x equals to negative 4, also draw empty circle, which means negative 4 and 3 does not include. in the interval. Okay, clear? So now we test out our value. So just test the first column. This one doesn't need to test, just follow the sign later on. Okay, so x minus 3. So what number can I choose here? For example, I want to choose negative 5. Okay, so negative 5 minus 3, I will get negative 8. So negative sign here, just put negative. And then we go to the right. Do we mean any circle? No, then just copy back negative. And then we go to the right. Do we mean the circle? Yes, change to positive sign. Very easy. So now we go to x plus 3, still use negative 5. Negative 5 plus 4, we get negative 1. So just put negative sign here, then we go to the right. We meet the circle, means change to positive. And then we move to the right, doesn't have any circle, follow positive. And then our final answer will be, green. Negative times negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, positive, positive. Okay, so the answer will be, select the positive interval. So as you can see here, our positive interval is negative infinity until negative 4. So does it include, look here, it's empty, so negative 4 doesn't include. Union with 3, negative infinity also doesn't include because empty circle. So for solution set, x less than negative 4 or x greater than 3. Don't put equal sign here. Again, the reminder. Okay, so you clear? Okay, so main thing, don't put any close bracket, just use open bracket, because here when you want to write the answer, then you look at the interval here. So x minus 3, so this is x equals to 3, just put empty circle. Okay, again, empty circles means not include. Then circles means the value include. Include. Okay, so please take note this. Depends on the circle here. This one just follows. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Okay, thank you.